We are the Stonington Como. Our mission is to inspire a welcoming, collaborative, and engaged community. We have a lot of different programs. The connectivity needs to be strong. We've had Breezeline come out, install Wi-Fi extenders and pods to make sure that our connectivity reaches every single corner of our main building and every single corner of our campus. They've been fantastic to work with. They've come in, they've been fast. They take care of our needs. Our main building serves our nationally accredited preschool as well as our camps and youth athletics programs. Across the street, we have our platform tennis courts. We have the makerspace and the thrift store that serves as a major fundraising arm for our organization.
We're a very busy shop, so where Breezeline comes in is when we have a point of sale and we have a line of customers, it makes it that much more important to have reliability. Those dollars that customers are spending are going in to fund the community center.
In addition to managing our internet space, Breezeline has been an amazing community partner. They have sponsored a 3D printing class for adults. We're really excited to be able to host that class. I'm grateful for their sponsorship to allow people to really recognize what we do and how we can best inspire all generations, from young to old and everyone in between.